In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions on Typeform using an updated tutorial for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned user or just diving into the world of Typeform, knowing how to effectively manage your edits is crucial. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Typeform account. Head to the Typeform website, enter your login credentials, and navigate to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, select the form or quiz you are looking to edit. It's important to be absolutely certain you're working on the correct form, as this ensures any changes you make will be applied accurately. Now, let's talk about using the undo button effectively. In the Typeform Designer, look toward the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the undo icon, which resembles a curved arrow pointing left. Clicking this icon will immediately revert the most recent action you've taken, and if you've made several changes back to back and need to undo a series of actions, simply click that undo icon multiple times. Each click will step back one change at a time, allowing you to reverse multiple mistakes or changes incrementally. For those moments when you need to undo a specific element like an individual question or a setting, Typeform makes that process straightforward as well. Begin by selecting the specific element that you wish to revert. Once selected, you can use the undo icon, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, those will work too, to revert only the specific change associated with that element. This feature is particularly useful when working on complex forms where you've made several edits in different areas, providing you with greater control over your form's design and content. After you've undone any changes and you're feeling good about the state of your form, it's important to test and preview it thoroughly. Doing so helps ensure everything appears as expected and functions correctly from the user's perspective. Navigate through your form as if you were a participant, checking each section meticulously to verify that all your adjustments are accurately reflected. Finally, never forget to save your progress. This might seem obvious, but saving acts as your safeguard against any accidental or unexpected losses. Even if you're absolutely sure about the state of your form, hitting that save button solidifies your work, so you won't need to worry about undoing your undo. With these steps, you're now equipped to officially manage and undo changes in Typeform. Remember to practice these methods to become more confident over time. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!